Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this double-decker turkey burger. So if you'd like to see how I put this meal together, then keep watching. Okay, so this is everything here on the counter that I'm using to make this burger today, and I will make sure I list it on the screen or in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, G Squad, I must apologize to y'all. At this point, I thought I was recording. I thought I hit record, but apparently I didn't. So you missed the portion where I actually compiled the burger. I just added some lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, and I even forgot to add the onions, and which you'll see at the end of the video. I went back and added those. Alright, G Squad. So here we are, our delicious turkey burger with cheese, and then I topped it off with some crinkly fries. So yes, that's what it looks like. Let me pick it up, show you. Okay, that's what it looks like. And the bun that I use is called a pretzel bun, just in case you didn't catch it when I flashed it to you. And I picked this up from Trader Joe's. Okay, so add my little ketchup on my fries. But yeah, so that's what's for lunch. Alright family, so that concludes this video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, share, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. I thank you once again for always stopping in and seeing what your girl's cooking up. Alright, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye. G Squad, I am back. I forgot to add one ingredient. You saw me saute some onions in the beginning. I forgot to add my onions, so here we are with our onions. Okay, so that completes our burger now.